Happy New Year, Forex Militia. This is Parsival, and I will start promoting a product called TradeMiner, which is a statistical and seasonality software that can give you trade windows into more high probability trade opportunities. It basically goes over the stock market and of course the forex market, and if you want, futures. And I will get into that right after the intro. Alright, Forex Militia, we have something that I wanted to share with you. I actually was going to write an article and put it on my blog, The Steps to Greater Wealth, but I'm just going to start out with this video and try to give you guys some software that I came across that is based on seasonality and statistics. Okay, so here we are with TradeMiner. These are old results, but I'm just gonna give you a little some instructional on how you can possibly use TradeMiner to get you trade windows, some high probability setups, and some high probability setup windows. Um, so this is 2021, and this is by the month. You can also scan by the symbols, right? There's Aussie CAD, Aussie Swissy, right? But I'm going to scan by the month to see what comes up with an 80% chance of being profitable, right? Trading in both direction, bullish and bearish, and with trends that last at least 10 days, but not more than 25. So just for the month of January, with 10 years of history. All right. No duplicate start dates, and remove symbol overlapping dates. All right. So I'm going to just go and scan now. And what I'm looking for is, of course, I'm looking for trades that I could take for the month of January that will allow me to um, target a window that will give me high probability setups. Okay, so here we have this right here, the Euro CAD, and um, I'm gonna also give a disclaimer that I'm not a financial analyst. Um, I am I am a guy on YouTube promoting some software and promoting a channel, right? So please get in touch with a financial advisor, a fiduciary, somebody who was um, uh, accredited. Hopefully one day I can basically give you some pointers on exactly what a good financial advisor is. Um, maybe I myself might take the test to be a financial advisor or an analyst. But as of right now, I am giving you some software that I'm just promoting so that you guys might want to purchase with my affiliate link. Yes, I'll make a little bit of money off of it, and hopefully uh, advance or take you up a level on how you basically target your trades. Okay, so that's my disclaimer. And here we have the EuroCAD. All right, so it says from January the 10th to February the 10th, with the 80% win rate. It came up with a few other results that are high probability, with high scores. These scores are ranked by basically how profitable and the time window that is given by the software. It has a neural network. Basically, neural network means that it has some brain capacity, an AI of sort to look through the trades and make decisions based on the highest probabilities. All right, so the higher the score over here, the more I won't say profitable, but the more likely it is to be uh, usable. Usable, something to more to that level. Okay, so here we have this, and I made a decision to use the EuroCAD. So what you can do with this is, as you can see, there's a profit, an average profit, a return on money, ROM, return on money, return on margin. I'm sorry, return on margin um, of 51% with a 1 to 2.1% risk to reward, and it goes across, and you can basically go through a few of these statistics to see if you yourself would want to take or use this time window for trading. There's a lot of information over here, all right, as far as max gain, max drawdown, max draw on margin, and total profit, historical profit. So the trade window here is January 10th to February 10th, and what you can do is it would allow you to make a printout of the currency that you are going to look to trade, and you can put this in your trading journal. You can save this for later, just so you can actually look at it again and understand why you took the trade, or you're using this time window to target better trades. Okay, I'm going to put the one that I took earlier, this one here, and give this to you guys so you can actually take a look at what I would be trading for this month. So let me just do this. Let's take that. I'm going to print that to a PDF, and we're going to call it Currency Trade of the Month, and I'm going to make that 1. Alright, there we go. Currency Trade of the Month 2. And so that I can basically give this to you guys. You can download it, I guess, from in the description. In the description, I will also leave my affiliate links. They are affiliate links to some software and a website that you can use that I found with statistics on trading Forex, stocks, futures. This one is called TradeMiner, but I have another one that is more for international, for people in Europe and different countries. The currencies is worldwide, but there are stocks that I will actually go over that are international stocks from another website called Seasonality. But this is for Forex and for futures in the United States and stocks in the United States, TradeMiner. All right. So that right there will be in the description. All right. So I am looking to basically use this window, this trade window, January 10th to February 10th, with an 80% chance to come out in profit, with an average profit of about 51% on your money. So what I have here is, in my user preference, my account balance is 50,000. All right, and then right now I just want to be in one trade, per month, per setup. of this dig. So I can increase that to any size that I want. And then, as you can see, the neural network risk tolerance preferences, this is step 2 only, right, is moderate. Moderate to conservative. It's in between conservative and aggressive. And you can adjust that as you like to give you, I guess, either more safer trades or more risky trades. All right, so I'm right in the middle. Okay. Now, with that, let's go take a look at the Euro CAD. Okay, so now here we are looking at the Euro CAD, and we basically want to see if this what's setting up in the future will be something that will be of interest to us. Okay, and right now, as you can see on the daily, it is above this, the 200. I have lines marked off for support and resistance on the weekly. These are weekly lines, and it says, well, to me, what this says that the euro is going up, but right now it's in a short-term downward motion. Downward, I won't say trend, it's just a short trend coming down, and it might come down to touch the 200. So looking at the way how that is trading on the 10th, which is over here, right? We will look to go long. We will look for long trades in the window of the 10th all the way to February. Let's see if I can get February in there. To February the 10th. And that's there. To that point. So between these 2 points, we're only looking for long trades. Now, of course, with technical analysis alone, you can basically find that, right? But with the computer power, right? Computers are right now most likely probably about 80% of the volume that is basically traded in most of the markets is probably computers, and using help from a computer could be very beneficial. Okay, so between these 2 brackets, we're only looking to trade long. Of course, this 200 will definitely tell you to basically do the same, but you have an 80% chance in this bracket to be profitable if you trade bullish. All right, so that is Forex. I also am trading stocks. So on stocks, I brought up a trade that I wanted to show you. I guess I'll just show you from here. The dig is pretty much the same. On this one, though, I have a 90% chance. So when I did my dig, I came up with Sky Networks, something that I'm familiar with. 10 years, 90% chance, from 1 day to 25 days. That should actually be like 10 days, but that's what I decided to come up with. And then here's a 3.96 score. And you have a 1 to 4.3 risk reward. So I thought this trade looked pretty good. So between the dates of January 6th and February 4th, you will have a 90% chance to be profitable, and that's over the last, let's see, last 10 years. About the last 10 years. It's not up here. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Last 10 years here. All right. Only one out of those 10 years did Sky Networks actually come out with a loss. And you can see it here too. So once again, this is software that I'm going to continually promote. And every month, what I'm going to do is for Forex and for stocks and possibly for futures, if that's what you want to trade, I will have a trade of the month that you can consider. You know, this is for education only. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Consider to basically look into for yourself and do your own due diligence and research it for yourself before you take the trade. Trade at your own risk. All right. So with that, I am going to say knowledge is power. Be power hungry. Power to the people. And I just wanted to share something else with you. This guy was one of my big heroes, Bruce Lee, right? But as I got older, he's still a hero. But now I am a Christian and Jesus is my hero. So do yourself a favor. I you know, this is me promoting my faith. Look into Jesus Christ. This is Parsible, signing out.